this episode, come with me as we go to Bay St. Louis. Location is just as important as being able to come to the cruise. If you get the right location, you can just stay at your residence and see how the cars go by. We'll be meeting with Les. He has a 72 Cutlass. He's gonna give us the rundown on it and also tell us about his location.
All right, I'm Les Murphy from Southeast Arkansas, and I have a 72 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. It's got the original 350 rocket in it, and other than that, it's pretty much original. It has a few updates with disc brakes, fuel injection, and just minor stuff like that. But it's just a cruiser. It's not a race car. Not made to go fast. It's made to cruise around in.
Why this car?
You know, I like the Oldsmobile. The Cutlass Supremes had a different body line. The quarter panels were made different than the regular Cutlass was. So it always caught my eye the way the quarter panels were made on the Cutlass Supreme more than the regular Cutlass. So when I came across it, actually my brother-in-law here bought it at an auction. What was that, about 8-10 years ago? Yeah, at least 8 years ago. Yeah. And he bought it, and I thought, man, I really like that car. And so I told him at the time, I said, when you get tired of it, let me know, because I think I'd be interested. And so you didn't keep it but about a year.
I kept it 2 years.
He kept it 2 years.
That was quick.
Yeah. And he called
He
me
was
and
on
said-
you, wasn't he?
He said, you really want the Cutlass? And I said, yeah, I think I do. I said, I'm not sure if I can afford to deal with you, though. But he made me a decent deal.
There you
so
go.
I got it from him, and I've done a few updates since I got it from him. It didn't have the fuel injection on it when I got it, and it was having some carburetor problems, and I thought, I'm just going to go a different route, put fuel injection on it, and make it a more consistent, reliable cruiser. And glad I did, because you can get in it, crank it up, and go anytime you want.
There you go. Is the original color on it?
I think it's the original color of the car, and the Oldsmobile calls that Matador Red is what that color was listed as as an Oldsmobile color.
If you went with any other car, which car would it be?
Oh, any other car? Well, I always tell everybody my favorite car, if I was just going to choose one, would be a 69 Mustang Mach 1. I like them ever since I was a kid. They're a little bit out of my price range when I find one that's in the condition I like. If it's an Oldsmobile, you can buy a lot cheaper than you can buy a Ford Mustang.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, but I really like this car. I've always liked the looks of these cars, so I'm happy with it.
How many years have you guys been coming to Cruisin the Coast?
This makes about 12 years in a row, doesn't it?
I think so. Calvin and I were talking about this. Our father-in-law back here, he actually got us started coming down here. He heard about this from somebody, and I think it was about 12 years ago we came down here for the first time, and we stayed here, and then we went to some other places down at Gulfport
Biloxi or
or Biloxi 1 or 2 years, and then since then we've rented this place right here. We'll rent it this year for next year.
That's smart.
Yeah.
Ahead of the
This
game.
is such a great spot to go, but I think it's about 12 years we've been down here.
Beautiful location.
Yeah, and we can sit on the porch and we can get to see everybody that come by. We don't have to go anywhere. We can just hang out here, run inside, grab a snack when you want. It's a good spot to watch cars go by.
All right. And are there any other car shows that you guys attend regularly?
There's a few local small shows at home we might go to occasionally, but as far as big national shows, this one we always make, but no, we don't travel a lot to go to other shows.
Okay. All right.
It's about 5.5, 6 hour drive for us to get down here from home.
From Arkansas?
From Arkansas, yeah.
From where they live. It's another 5 to where I live up in the northwest corner.
It's a little bit further for him.
That's dedication.
Yeah.
Did y'all drive it down or did y'all trailer it down?
Trailer. We
Trailer it down?
Yeah.
Does he have AC?
Yep, got AC. Actually, it didn't have AC on it
It
when you
didn't
got
have
it.
AC on it. That's one of the things I did with it. I think while I had it, I put AC on it. I'm really into the tune, so the first thing I did was put a new stereo system.
Oh
in.
yeah.
And then, like I say, drove for 2 years, and then he got it, and he's done a lot more to us.
And how long has it been in the family?
It's been about 8 years.
About 8 years.
Yeah, it's probably been about 8 years. I've had it for 6 of those years.
Okay.
But yeah, I've enjoyed having it, enjoyed taking it out. Been a fun car.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys for your time.
Oh yeah.